Fast forward a few weeks, I also noticed it looks like the 40K service requires a spark plug change. I had to order them to get a little better price than what the local auto parts store wanted. So looks like standard coil pack should pull out of there with a Torx screw, or not. Not sure what holds that coil pack. Okay, looks like there's a stud and a 10 mil, so we'll try that. So there's actually a long bolt that goes all the way down through. You pop these, you push back on that tab, it'll pop the electrical connector loose. And then this nut comes off. So that one decided, the first one came off fine. This one decided to twist itself. Looks like just a ground. So I need to get in there and hold that 10 millimeter on the bottom. I don't know where this came from, but I thought it was thin enough. Apparently not. Let's see if some needle nose will do enough. So that thing hadn't been out of there since it left the factory. Those are our new spark plugs. They have a pretty strange end on them. I've never seen anything like that before. They're a little pricey too, for just apparently a double platinum plug. There might be a little wear. I'm going to hang on to these because I already got them. Got the new ones, I'm going to put them in, but that's didn't look like it ate them up as much as my GTI does. Little anti-seize. There's a torque spec, 21 foot-pounds, so we'll go ahead and do that. And we'll repeat that for all four of them. So there's a rare lull in the lawnmowers and leaf blowers. Probably a good time to make sure the car still runs. All that is left to do, this car is equipped with a pollen covered panoramic sunroof. So we're supposed to check the drains and lubricate it. Let's see if it'll open. If I can figure out how to open it. And that's likely the shade right there. Okay, there we go. I'm assuming there will be a hole up in here somewhere for a drain. And it's hitting the ground. There's probably one towards the back. We'll see where that comes out. To the other side while we're here. Wouldn't have to credit Iron Maiden for the song that's on the radio. It's not intentional. Alright, so this car is leaking out water on all four corners. So I'm going to say the sunroof drains are good. So it would probably be a good time to lubricate any pivot points in here. Okay, unless I'm missing something, that should be pretty much the 40K service on your Golf Alltrack. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. I am missing something. Need to add about another half quart of oil, so it looks like this thing's going to take about 6.